Attribution is a global challenge, but it's especially acute in South Asia due to adversarial nature of bilateral relations and the presence of non-state cyber actors. So some potential solutions could include bilateral confidence building measures, such as cyber hotlines or shared investigation protocols during peacetime, to clarify intent and or origin after incidents. Also, developing independent forensic capacity and potentially involving neutral third-party cyber forensics organizations to validate attribution claims. Lastly, improving state capacity for cyber intelligence and detection. Now, given the stakes, especially in a nuclear environment, reducing attribution ambiguity is essential to prevent miscalculation and overreaction.